गोवा स्टेट कोऑपरेटिव्ह बँकेचो चेअरमॅन रामचंद्र मुळे आड घाल्लो अविश्वास थाराव बुधवारा 20 तारखेर चर्चेक येतलो. मात ही बसका जातली काय ना हें बुधवारा सकाळीं हायकोर्टांत थारतलें. बँकेची अर्थीक परिस्थिती बरी ना म्हणपाची गजाल नाबार्डाच्या अहवालांतल्यान उक्ताडार आयले उपरांत 7 संचालकांनी मुळे आड अविश्वास थाराव घाल्लो. असल्या थारावाचेर बसका आपोवपाचो गोंयचे रजिस्ट्राराक कायदेशीर अधिकार ना अशी याचिका मुळे गटान हायकोर्टांत घाल्या.
गोंय राज्य सहकारी बँकेचे अध्यक्ष रामचंद्र मुळे आणि सहसंचालकांनी उच्च न्यायालयात याचिका घाल्या. राज्य रजिस्ट्रारान बँकेच्या संचालक मंडळाची बसका आपोवपी जी नोटीस काढल्या तिका हे याचिकेत आव्हान दिलां. मुळे आड घाल्ले अविश्वास प्रस्ताव थारावाचेर चर्चा करपाक ही बसका आपयल्या. राज्य प्रबंधकाची नोटीस 6 जूनाक काढली नोटीस. मुळे आड अविश्वास प्रस्ताव 20 तारखेक आपयली बसका. रजिस्ट्राराक ही बसका आपोवपाचो अधिकारच ना हो याचिकादारांचो दावो. हो अधिकार फकत केंद्रीय रजिस्ट्राराचो अशें ते म्हणटात. गोंय सहकारी सोसायटी कायदो 2001 प्रमाण राज्य रजिस्ट्राराक हो अधिकारच दिल्लो ना अशें तांचें म्हणणें. मात कायद्यांतले एके तरतुदीक लागून कायद्यांत बदल करनासतना राज्य रजिस्ट्राराक हो अधिकार मेळटा असो युक्तिवाद ॲडव्होकेट जनरलान केला. बसका आनी हायकोर्टाचो निकाल बुधवाराच अपेक्षीत आशिल्ल्यान मुळेच्या अध्यक्षपदाचें भवितव्य बुधवाराच थारतलें. प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर आमचो रिपोर्टर नवदीप आगियार.
राम सेनेक गोंयांत येवपाक सध्या चारय वटेच्यान विरोध जाता. फेसबुकावेल्या चळवळी उपरांत राम सेनेचेर बंदी घालपाची मागणी करीत बिगर सरकारी समाजीक संघटनाय पेटून उठल्यात. देवाच्या नांवान राक्षसाचें काम करपी राम सेने गोंयांत नाका अशी मागणी सगळ्योच संघटना करतात. आता सरकाराचे राम सेनेविशीं धोरण पळोवन फुडलीं पावलां उखलपाचें तांणी थारायलां.
We are apprehensive about his entry. We know that in Bangalore and Mumbai and Delhi, they are noted, and even Telka has shown that they are noted for their vandalism, their creating of abuse of human rights, their destruction of people, their money-mindedness, and their crooked ways, and the very fact that they are talking about Hindu Rashtra. They are trying to twist the whole thing and go back in history will not be tolerated by any one of us, and especially by the women of Goa, by the Hindus, Muslims, Christians, and especially again the women of Goa. They will have to see the back door and get out from here. We are going to request the government to see that they don't get entry only. If this is the type of agenda they are coming with, we don't want them here.
ही जी राम सेना आसा जे काम करतात ते जे काम आसा ते रामाचे वटीन न्हय. जशें श्री रामान जसले काम केल्ले, इतले मनीसपणाचें जे काम केल्लें तें काम मनीसपणाचें न्हू, हे देंवचाराचें काम करता आनी नांव ताणें श्रीराम दवरलें. सो म्हाका दिसता आमच्या हिंदू भावांनी भयण्यांनी आनी आमी सगळ्यांनी मेळून हाचें ऑब्जेक्शन करपाक जाय, खर निशेध करपाक जाय. तांकां आमी स्ट्रॉंगली ऑब्जेक्ट करपाक जाय आनी सगळे गोंयकारांनी आतां एक उलो मारपाक जाय आनी सरकाराक दाखोवन दिवपाक जाय की असले आमी आनी टॉलरेट करचे ना.
देवाचें नांव धरून वायट म्हणजे रावणाचें जें काम करतात ते आमी हिंदू जे आमचे लोक आसात तांकां अंडरस्टँड जावपाक जाय बाबा हे आमचे देवाचें नांव धरून हे वायट कित्याक घडटा. ताका लागून हांव रिक्वेस्ट करता की सगळीं म्हणजे हिंदू मुस्लीम हिंदूच न्ही पूण सगळीं धर्माची लोक एकठांय येवन हेजे म्हणजे कितें तरी विचार करपाक जाय.
गोंयांत दर्जेदार फिल्म शुटां खातीर बरेपैकी प्रोडक्शन स्टुडिओ करपाचो सरकाराचो विचार चल्ला. शुटिंगा खातीर 150-200 तरी नैसर्गीक सेट उबारपाक वाव आसा अशें मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकाराक दिसता. गोंयच्या फिल्म निर्मात्यां खातीर बरी येवजण करपाचें उतर तांणी दिलां. जेरिटन डायसाच्या द विक्टीम ह्या कोंकणी फिल्माची CD रिलीज करतना मुख्यमंत्री उलयतालो.
I have two little things to put before the Honorable Chief Minister. For the last 1 year or rather more, the Film Finance Assistance Scheme has been loitering the corridors of the legal department to ASD and vice versa like a shuttlecock. Nothing has been done about it.
And one of these main reasons I'm trying to fight with my movie is the social cause, the very different cause that is within our families. आमच्या घरांनी आमच्या फॅमिलीनी आयज पासून घडटा ते. If you consider 1 out of 10, there are at least 5 or 6 marriages either broken or about to be broken. It's just because there is a difference between love and lust. So हांव हे म्हजे मुवीन हांव एकूच हाडूंक सोदता फुडें to take to the entire world is there is a difference between love and lust.
There will be a proper scheme to ensure benefit to the, I'll go through it personally. State, we are thinking of a good production studio in Goa because locations are, natural locations are there. If we provide other facilities, we can have movies after movies right from Goa. You don't have to repeat the, you don't have to repeat one particular scene in Goa. You will get similar type of beautiful, at least 200 sets ready-made, natural.
एटीएम फोडपाच्या प्रकारांक आळाबंद हाडपाक मडगांव पुलिसांनी शारांतल्या बँकाच्या ब्रांच मॅनेजरां बरोबर चर्चा केली. बँकांनी तांचे एटीएमाचे सशस्त्र सेक्युरिटी गार्ड दवरचे अशी सुचोवणी पुलिसांनी बँकांक केल्या. रातच्या वेळार पुलीस गस्त वाडयतले अशें आश्वासन पुलिसांनी बँक मॅनेजरांक दिलां. एटीएमाचेर क्लोज सर्किट कॅमेरा बसोवचे म्हणूनय पुलिशेन बँकांक सुचोवणी केल्या. कांय दिसां फाटीं मडगांव स्टेट बँकेचें एटीएम फोडिल्लें. ते उपरांत पुलीस सादूर जाल्या.
Today a meeting was held wherein all the managers of the banks in the limits of Margaon city were invited, and the meeting was basically to sensitize them regarding the security of ATMs and in the bank premises. What we have found, many cases recently has been reported wherein there were attempts to remove the cash from the ATM. In many cases they were not succeeded because of the security of the ATM, and as a preventive measure the meeting was called and the bank managers were requested to set up the security equipment in their bank as well as ATM premises. There was a request from the most of the bank managers to deploy security personnel or to maintain the patrolling, because some of the banks have their own security armed guard during the night time, whereas some of the banks have no security or armed guards. In such a situation, I will be deploying the mobile patrolling and beat staff to visit frequently, because it is not possible to keep police personnel at each and every bank.
16th, last Saturday, we had conducted a meeting of bank officials, and most of the bank managers from Panji area had participated in that. So that meeting was about security measures to be taken by the bank. We have requested them to take some measures wherein they can keep some employee to just keep watch on the activities in the bank, so that they can trace if any unusual fellow is loitering around in the bank premises without any reason. They can spot them and they can ask them why they are there. We have also requested them to brief their security guards that they have to just keep watch on the senior citizens, especially ladies who are coming to bank for withdrawal. They have assured us that they will look into the matter, and whatever on their part they have to do, they will do.
आता घेऊया एक व्यावसायिक विसव.